Okay, rolling the soleus. So you're going to start with the ball at the very end of the block away from you, and it's going to be about 4 inches above the ankle. If you need some extra pressure, you can cross the opposite foot. So first we're going to take 2 circles to the left and 2 circles to the right, and then relaxing the foot, we're going to bend that knee just about an inch, and it's going to come towards us about an inch 4 times. So 2 more times. All right, now we will internally rotate that toe about 45 degrees. 2 circles, one direction, 2 circles, other direction, and 4 knee bends. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Now externally rotate that foot about 10 to 15 degrees and 2 circles each direction and 4 knee bends. Relaxing those toes. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and switch sides. So the same thing. So again, the ball is placed about 4 inches above the ankle, and the ball is in the area that's away from you on the yoga block. So 2 circles, relaxing the toes in both directions, and 4 knee bends, just about an inch. 3 and 2 and 1. And now I'm going to internally rotate my foot about 45 degrees, 2 circles one direction, and 2 circles the other direction. And 4 knee bends, 4. The ball comes towards me as I bend. 3 and 2 and 1. Try to relax those toes. Externally rotate that foot, and it's about 10 to 15 degrees. Those 2 circles, both directions, and then those 4 knee bends. And 3 and 4. Okay, that was the soleus.